Hi, this is Dave from Dave Splains, and I'd just like to take a moment of your time to really put it into your mind here. Just put it into your mind that I am not sponsored. I am not monetized at all, and I don't have any markers. But markers cost money. Uh, Writing lessons cost money. Wires cost money. Projects cost money. All these things cost money. Computers, internet. Now, I'm not asking for much, but I'm putting money into this. And this started off as something where I was not trying to be famous or anything like that, and I'm still not trying to. I don't really want to go to a restaurant and be like, "Oh, you're Dave Splains." I don't really care. I mean, the whole idea originally was to showcase my skills and get better at showcasing my skills, thus making myself be a better person to do presentations and get some interaction and everything between me and employers and whatnot and so forth. And what ended up happening is that I started realizing that I was actually helping some people on how to build some of these things and how to do different things. And, I really kind of like that. And I want to kind of continue doing that. So what I would like is if you could go down to, well, here or here or here. Again, I'm going to have to ask you to either comment. Is it in number 1 or number 2, the subscribe button, or is it in the middle? I don't really know. But yeah, hit the like button. Get me in front of the people who are like, your friends or the people who really need this. Like you're going to be in Thanksgiving and you're going to run into a family member. Christmas is coming up. Oh, what are you doing nowadays? Oh, I'm doing data analysis. I'm doing electrical engineering. You should listen to this guy, Dave Splains, on YouTube. He does all of that kind of stuff. Super cool. He does these like Excel spreadsheets and Power BI and Python and machine learning, data science, electrical engineering, all of these different things. And he's always doing these different projects because, I think it would be cool to meet like Simone Gertz or Mark Roper or something like that. But, Peter Stripple, William Guy, I guess, with the fuzzy beard and everything, I suppose. He likes cats too much. I'm allergic, so I don't know. But anyway, I wouldn't mind that, but in the grand scheme of things, I really just kind of, I wouldn't mind getting monetized, just a little bit. I wouldn't mind hitting into the next year with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views. Now, obviously, if you get 1,000 subscribers, you're going to hit 4,000 hours. And I'm already, doing pretty good, where I've got 2,000 minutes. But right now, I get 2.2% of my views are. This is horrible. 2.2% of my views are from subscribers. That's a big margin where just anything over 90% of my views are not from subscribers. So I'd really appreciate it, like, if I could get at least 50% of my subscribers, because I've got over 2,000 views. So if I can hit 50% subscribers, I can get that 1,000 subscriber mark. And I don't want to be famous. I don't care. I'm trying to do once a week, twice a week. This week I'm going to be making up for last week. Last week was just a really weird thing. I didn't really feel like doing much. I just wasn't into it. I probably should have made an announcement video, come on and said, hey, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. Truth is I had my midterms, and now I'm jumping immediately into my finals because due to the pandemic, college semesters are shorter. So, yeah. And that's going to be fun too, because I did a video based on my midterm project that I'm going to put out there later. And I'm going to probably do a project on my final, which is a Python script that has to take up a class, a couple of functions, maybe a method, and I think a dictionary. I'm not really sure. I have to go back and look at the whole thing again. So that's going to be fun. I still have my video that from my summer classes on my presentation that somehow got an A in security classes. And I still have to finish my TV video where we completely have been redoing everything in our basement to make things better. And I'm going to tell you right now, I've got a computer work desk there. I've got a computer work desk there. I have a work table there. It's actually all a work table. I'm not going to lie. It's all a work table. It's a standing workbench. I just happen to have a big screen monitor and well, it's 32 inches, but for a monitor, that's huge. And a desktop computer there. I got my laptop and an electronics section there. You know what? I'm still kind of in chaos on this side. But on that side, it's all nice. It's all living area and everything else. And, you know, I rebuilt a TV. Then I wall mounted it. Then I hooked up a Raspberry Pi to it to make a smart TV. Still working on that too. So there's a lot of catch-up video coming along. So yeah, you know, go down, subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends and family during this holiday season that, you know, I exist. Get me out there and, you know, help me get into this new year with 1,000 subscribers. That'd be great. And obviously, you know, I'm going to get the 4,000 hours if I have 1,000 subscribers, but that's what we're looking for. 1,000 subs. I don't know. Maybe I'll do something fun for the 1,000th one. I don't know. I've got stuff. Maybe I'll send something out. Oh, geez. We've got the model railroad stuff. We got trying to control Lego trains with Raspberry Pi Zeros. We've got electric motorcycles. There's a lot of stuff. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video, which is waiting to be edited right now.